Exercise 9.4, the first Roman letter, the first subdivision. We have to multiply the given two expressions. The first one is 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now what we have to do, first we have to multiply with 2x into the second expression, that is 4x minus 3. Then there is a plus symbol over here. So 5 into 4x minus 3. Now next step is we have to multiply 2x into 4x, then plus 2x into minus 3. Make the plus sign over here, and now 5 into 4x plus 5 into minus 3. So when we multiply 2x into 4x, that is 2 4s are 8, x into x is x square, plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6x, so minus 6x, plus 5 into 4 is 20, so 20x, plus 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. So now we have to add all the terms together, that is only one 8x square, and plus into minus is minus 6x, then plus 20x, plus into minus is minus 15. So now only one x square term, so 8x square. There are two x terms, so minus 6x plus 20x. அப்போ group பண்ணுறப்போ வந்து greater number sign is plus, subtract பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னாக்க 20 minus 6 is 14, so plus 14x minus 15. First Roman letter, third sum, we have to multiply 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. So first we have to multiply 2.5L into the second expression, that is 2.5L plus 0.5M plus minus 0.5M into the second expression, 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now first 2.5L into 2.5L means 6.25L square. Then plus 2.5L into 0.5M means 1.25M into L. Okay. Now for the second expression, minus 0.5M into 2.5L means minus 1.5ML, and minus 0.5M into 0.5M is minus 0.25M square. Now we have to group the terms, that is 6.25L square plus 1.25ml minus 1.25ml plus minus 0.25m square. Now plus 1.25ml minus 1.25ml can be cancelled. So the remaining is 6.25L square minus 0.25M square. This first Roman letter, sixth subdivision, 3 by 4A square plus 3B square into 4 of A square minus 2 by 3B square. So first what we have to do, we have to multiply the 4 to the two terms. First expression, 3 by 4A square plus 3B square into 4 into A square is 4A square minus 4 into 2 by 3 is 8 by 3b square. Now we have to multiply 3 by 4a square into the second expression, 4a square minus 8 by 3b square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Now we have to multiply 3 by 4a square into 4a square is 4 can be cancelled, so 3a power 4. Okay. And here also 3 by 4a square into minus 8 by 3b square plus 3b square into 4a square plus 3b square into minus 8 by 3b square. Now we can cancel this 4 with 4 and 4 with 8, that is 2 times, and here 3 with 3 we can cancel. So the next step is only 3a square is remaining. Okay. So this is 3a square into a square is 3a power 4. And similarly 3a square into minus 2b square is minus 6a square b square. Similarly the next step is, here we have 3 4s are 12, a square b square, and here it is minus 8b power 4. Okay. Now finally we have to rearrange, that is 3a power 4. Here it is minus 6a square b square, and here it is plus 12a square b square. So these two terms we have to group, and minus 8b power 4. Now when we simplify these two terms, they are like terms now. So this is plus 12 and this is minus 6. அப்போ கிரேட்டர் நம்பர் சைன் வந்து ப்ளஸ், ரெண்டு நம்பர் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறப்ப வந்து 6a square b square வரும். ஸோ தி ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் இஸ் 3a power 4 plus 6a square b square minus 8b power 4. Division p square minus q square into 2p plus q. அப்போ p square into 2p plus q plus minus q square into 2p plus q. So when we multiply p square into 2p is 2p power 3. Next p square into p is p square q plus minus q square into 2p is minus 2p q square. Minus q square into q is minus q cube. So we have to group the terms now. 2p power 3 plus 1p square q minus 2pq square, then plus minus q cube. So the final answer is 2p cube plus 1p square cube minus 2pq square plus minus q cube is the final answer. For exercise 9.4, the third Roman letter, fourth subdivision, we have to multiply the terms and we have to add. Okay, so there are three pairs of multiplication, then we have to add the expressions. The first one is a plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into ac plus bd. So for the first expression, a into c minus d plus b into c minus d. The second expression, a into c plus d plus minus b into c plus d. For the third expression, 2 into ac plus 2 into bd. Okay. Now for the first expression, when we multiply a into c is ac, then a into minus d is minus ad, plus b into c is bc, b into minus d is minus bd. Here a into c is ac plus a into d is ad, plus minus b into c is minus bc, minus b into d is minus bd. Here it is 2 into ac is 2ac plus 2 into bd is 2bd. Now we have to write in a single line, that is ac minus ad plus bc minus bd plus ac, then plus ad minus bc minus bd, then plus 2ac plus 2bd. Here minus ad and plus ad can be cancelled. Similarly, plus bc minus bc can be cancelled. Okay, now we have to write down the remaining terms. ac, there is one more ac is over here, group it, then plus 2ac. Similarly, plus and put minus bd, then one more minus bd is there, then plus 2bd. Okay, now here 1ac plus 1ac is 2ac plus 2ac plus minus bd means minus 2bd plus 2bd. So minus 2bd and plus 2bd can be cancelled. So remaining is 2 plus 2 is 4, ac is the final. Now for third Roman letter, seventh subdivision, we have to multiply 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. So first thing is we have to multiply these two expressions. First one is 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 plus minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then this is minus 4.5x plus 12y, let it be as it is. Now first 1.5x into 1.5x is 2.25, x into x is x square. Next 1.5x into 4y means 6.0 xy plus 3 into 1.5x is 4.5x. Next one is minus 4y into 1.5x is minus 6.0 xy. Then minus 4y into plus 4y is minus 16y square. Then minus 4y into plus 3 is minus 12y. Now here the minus 4.5x plus 12y, let it be as it is. Now we have to simplify, that is 2.25x square plus 6.0 xy plus 4.5x, this is minus 6.0xy minus, okay, 16y square minus 16y square, then this is minus 12y, and this is minus 4.5x, and this is plus 12y. Now the next step is, there is only one x square term, so 2.25 x square, plus there are two xy terms, plus 6.0 xy minus 6.0 xy, so these two can be cancelled. And similarly, there is 2 4.5x and minus 4.5x, so these two terms can be cancelled, this one term, the other term. Next one is only one y square, that is minus 16y square, and plus 12y and minus 12y. Okay, there are two y terms, so these two can be cancelled. Therefore, the remaining answer is 2.25x square minus 16y square is the third Roman letter, 8th subdivision. We have to multiply a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. So first one is we have to multiply with a into a plus b minus c plus b into a plus b minus c plus c into a plus b minus c. So a into a is a square, a into b is ab, a into minus c is minus ac. Here it is b into a is ab, b into b is b square, b into minus c is minus bc. Here it is c into a is ac, c into b is bc, c into minus c is minus c square. Now we have to group it. A square plus ab minus ac, ab plus b square minus bc plus ac plus bc minus c square. Now there is only one a square term, and plus ab and one more ab is here. Okay, let us group it. And minus ac, then another plus ac, we have to group it. Then only one b square term is there. Then plus c and plus, there are two bc terms. One is minus bc, the other one is plus bc. There are two bc terms. Okay. Then finally only one c square term. So minus ac plus ac can be cancelled, minus bc plus bc can be cancelled. So the remaining answer is a square plus 2ab. 1ab plus 1ab, 2ab, then plus b square, then finally minus c square is the final answer. Exercise 9.4, third Roman letter, the fifth subdivision. We have to multiply these two terms and we have to add. So first one is x into 2x plus y plus y into 2x plus y. Similarly here, x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. So x into 2x is 2x square, then x into y is xy. Here y into 2x is 2xy and y into y is plus y square. Similarly, x into x is x square, x into minus y is minus xy. Here 2y into x is 2xy and 2y into minus y is minus 2y square. Now 2x square plus xy plus 2xy plus y square, and here plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. Now there are two xy terms, so we have to add, that is 3xy. So 2x square plus 3xy plus y square, and here there are two xy terms, so since sign is different we have to subtract. அப்போ greater number symbol வந்து plus, subtract பண்ணாக்க plus 1xy. அப்போ x square plus 1xy minus 2y square. Now 2x square plus 3xy plus y square plus x square plus 1xy minus 2y square. Now let us group. There are two x square terms we have grouped, and there are two xy terms we have grouped, and there are two y square terms. So 2x square plus 1x square is 3x square, 3xy plus 1xy is 4xy, and 1y square minus 2y square is minus 1y square. So the final answer is 3x square plus 4xy minus 1y square.